Hi, Jarrod Carman from the Avery Group Mornington Peninsula, and I'm with Tyler Joy, the legend. And you are at 45 Balcombe Drive in amazing Mount Martha. This 3-bedroom plus study, so it could be 4th bedroom home, set on 1/4 acre. It's an absolute ripper.
Let's get inside and take a look at your new home. So as we enter the home, we're greeted with 2 separated living areas. In the first living area, we've got gas ducted heating, evaporative cooling. As you come through the living room, you have this nice flow through formal dining area, beautiful floors, which goes directly straight into the kitchen.
The kitchen is just amazing. You've got stone bench tops, stainless steel appliances, a really cool feature where through this window, you could use it as a servery window straight out to the entertaining room. There is also a walk-in pantry, and this opens in to the beautiful lounge room. So you've got a great sized lounge straight off the kitchen so the family can come together. But it also leads outside to the undercover entertaining area. And off there, you have the study, the home office, which could also be a 4th bedroom with a couple of alterations. It's a really good family floor plan. It's amazing. It's really well set out.
As we come down the hallway, we've got bedroom 1, so built-in robes, ducted heating, evaporative cooling, good sized linen closet to my right. Bedroom 2, again, evaporative cooling, ducted heating. This one has a walk-in robe and a really nice outlook onto the outdoor area. We've also got the main bathroom. The bath has a really nice outlook onto the outdoor area as well. And finally, we walk into the master bedroom. Again, ducted heating, evaporative cooling, nice big walk-in robe. Directly here, we've got flow-through bathroom. Nice big door, which you can have your morning coffee in the morning.
One of the great features of this property, being situated on a corner block, is you've got side access. So if you had boats, caravan, trailers, all that sort of stuff, you can keep it off the street. You could also drop in a pool if you like, a massive pool, because there is this extraordinary undercover area. This is a great undercover area. It's really set out well for entertaining family, friends, watching a football, whatever you like.
You don't want to miss out on this great opportunity. Feel free to get in touch with any member of the team to book your inspection. Otherwise, we'll see you at the next open for inspection.